So this race, how long was the race? What distance did you have to race? And how does the Coxswain motivate the team?
Yes, sir. So basically, this race is between different directorate, and it happened in Jabalpur, sir. And it is the distance, sir. I am
approximately.
Yes,
approximately.
Sir, it was around, sir, 5 kilometers.
5 kilometers?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the water it is different, sir. In the water it is nautical mile, and so that is the difference.
Is nautical mile more or less than a normal mile?
Sir, in 1 nautical mile it is around 1.852 kilometers, sir. So that is a bit more than a nautical.
Okay.
So okay. The coxswain used to motivate them by the like nares, and used to that we together, stroke together. So that is the thing, sir. And we have to win, keep the spirit. These all were the things, sir. So we also used to like give the massages to the hands to each other, sir. And that is also one motivation.
You were taught about the different classes of ships as well.
Yes, sir.
Which is the fastest?
So fastest, sir, it have their own role, sir.
Stick to the question. You said frigate, destroyer, corvette.
Sir, destroyer is the fastest out of them.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
What about corvette?
Sir, they are smaller ships, sir. They are supporting ships that helps in filling, that carries the ornaments and the missiles and all, sir. So they used to like help the.
Did you see any ship?
Sir, no, sir. I did not got the chance to go and visit and experience.
How many aircraft carriers do we have?
Sir, we have two. Two. INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant.
And what aircrafts are flying from the carrier?
Sir, basically there is MiG-29K, there is Hull Chetak, Hull Dhruv, then there is Sea King, Seahawk. So these are the aircraft.
Okay. Right. And did you do any range firing also?
No, sir. I did not went for that. I was not so good in that. That is why. So I went for it, like for giving the demo, for selection, for giving the selection. So I did not got selected in that.
What are the different types of firing position?
Sir, kneeling, standing, and lying.
Okay. Right. So let's talk about your debate. What are some essentials to do well in debate?
So basically in debates there are two essential, that is you either spoke for the motion or you go against the motion. That is one thing. Then in debate that as many time you want to speak, you can speak. But if you are for the motion, you should be maintain that thing, and if you are against, that is the main thing we should obey there.
How do you prepare?
Sir, I used to prepare. I used to search about it. I used to deep down into the topic, sir. I used to cut down what are its causes and what are its precautions, sir. Pros and cons. I used to compare it, and I go with the suitable one.
Can you suggest two topics for debate currently relevant?
Sir, currently. So we can go on the China, which is building a dam on the Brahmaputra river. Is it good or is it like bad? It is pros and cons, sir. Then yes, sir. Then we can also go for the women forces which are in the armed forces. Like women, how many percentage are going? What are the things and its pros and cons.
Okay, now your best friend and you are they're very supportive and they have an adorable family. What is this adorable family and how many members are there in that family?
Yes, sir. So basically, adorable is they are very like they are having a very liveliness and a very helping nature, sir. So basically, there are 8 members in her family, sir. Her mother, her father, her younger chachu and chachi, she has 2 chachu and chachis, so that are 6, and she also has a siblings, her brother and also 2 from her chachu and chachi.
What is her brother's name?
So brother's name is Prakhar Nagar.
Okay. Right. Now you also were made the house captain.
Yes, sir.
What was the criteria? Was it elective? Was it nominated? And why do you think you were given this responsibility?
Yes, sir. So in my school, house captains are made based on their performance till now from the 8th standard. So earlier, sir, I have participated in many inter-school and many competitions, sir. And apart from this, sir, the house teachers used to elect the members, and after that there is voting for the elected members of their respective houses, sir. Then after they are made out, the one who gets the maximum votes is the house captain, sir.
Why did the people vote for you then?
Sir, because I used to help them whenever they used to approach me, sir. And also besides that, while in the competition also, sir, we used to share the things which need to improve and how can be improved, sir. And also I used to help the my house people, sir, in studying, learning, that is, sir.
And your role as a cultural secretary?
Yes, sir. So after that, it was elected by the votes only from the whole school, sir, and especially from the teachers also, sir. So cultural secretary, the major role was to conduct and to organize the cultural fest which happens, like the sports day, the annual day, sir, and also inter-house competitions which are to be held. So basically, I need to get the list, I need to prepare for it, sir. So basically what I used to do, sir, I take the names from the house captains, respective house captains, and I used to make a list. I used to arrange, I used to decorate with the decorate team, the backstage, and also used to nominate an anchor who can anchor. So all the things I used to manage, that is a role.
So you were doing it alone, or you had a teacher also with you? Or were you independent?
So it was like mixed. For example, sir, if I have to get the names from the respective houses, the teacher used to help, sir, to get the name of the student who is like doing it, sir. And also teacher used to give us a path, and also at initial they used to guide that this is the thing, how this happens, sir.
Okay. What do your friends think about you?
Sir, they think that I am very helpful to them, and also whenever they approach, sir, I used to help them, and also responsible for like not judging them, and also for keeping their secrets, sir.
Okay. They can share their secret with you?
Yes, sir.
And you never betrayed anybody?
No, sir, not yet.
Okay, and what happened when you got into an argument or a disagreement with your friends?
Sir, during that time, sir, I usually put facts and figure in front of them and the reasons, and I also listen to them, sir, their point of view and their perspective, sir, and we compare each other's, and which is right, we go for that.
And you go for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but has it created any bad taste sometimes because of these disagreements?
No, sir.
All good?
Yes, sir. Everything is very good.
Okay. Okay, Aarti, what are your interests and hobbies? How do you spend your spare time? What's your routine? How do you spend your spare full day when you're at home?
Yes, sir. So my hobbies contains cooking, dancing, playing badminton, sir. And the routine I follow, sir, I usually wake up at 5 a.m. and then after I freshen up and get ready for going for running, sir. Around 5:30 I go with my friends and my sister for a running, and we come up around 6:30 to 7, sir. After that we take a bath, and I do puja and make breakfast with my sister, sir. We had breakfast. She goes to the college, and later on after that from 9 to 12, sir, I sit for the study. In that I read newspaper, sir, as I got my SSB news, sir. So I used to read the newspaper, sir. I used to prepare for my FCAT and CDS exam, so I used to practice the question of maths and English, sir. And also I practice OIR, sir, for my SSB interview. And also I used to search for the lecture topic and prepare for that in that time period, sir. Sir, after that around 1 to 2 p.m. I used to make lunch, and after the lunch I also talk to my family members on phone, sir. And then after, sir, taking up our nap, after that 3 to 6 I then study. We have a group meeting in the Zoom, sir. We used to discuss on the latest topic like the GD and the group discussion, and I used to practice it for, and the lecturate which I have prepared, I used to deliver it with my friends, sir. And also we used to practice for the side tests, sir, also. So I have divided weekly these tests, and I used to revise them and do them. After around 6, me and my sister goes out for a walk, and we usually go to a temple, have a peaceful time there, sir. Then we come back, we prepare our dinner, have it, and around 8, sir, I talk to my family, sir, and also, sir, I revise what I have done in a day, and I also create a to-do list for the next day, sir, so that I can commence to the work which I need to do, sir. And around 10 p.m. I go to sleep. Sir, on the weekdays, sir, the routine is usually same, but some of the work like laundry and cleaning my room, it is added. And I also at the evening also I go with my friends, go out and visit some places, and also for the movie sometimes, sir.
When you say you talk to your family, are you away from family now?
Sir, basically, sir, my native place is Badi, Madhya Pradesh, and I currently stay in a flat, sir, me and my younger sister. So that is the thing, sir.
How do you manage?
Sir, I manage, sir. I've been, sir, out from my 6th standard. I was with my Masi. So I've completed my schooling from Bhopal itself, but I was staying with the Masi. So when I came in first year, then after I was in a flat with my sister. So I used to manage, sir.
So this is the first time you are staying. Masi is also got some elderly people in support. Now you and your sister?
Yes, sir. Sir, basically at that time I was too young, sir, in 6th standard, and I was not aware about the Bhopal and how the things goes and everything, sir. So I cannot live alone at that time. So I needed the elderly guidance, sir, at that time, sir. After that, sir, it was not only me, but my sister also wanted to study. So we came and rented a flat. And in flat also, sir, there is not only that we are living independently, sir. There is auntie who is a caretaker who lives in a middle flat, and there is one up and down flat, sir. There are 12 cameras in our building, sir.
Okay, so your hobby is cooking. What do you cook?
So basically the normal food, but sometime when I go to my native place, I cook cheesecakes, sir. Sometimes different things I tried, and my father used to like and appreciate, sir.
Okay. So where do you learn all this?
Sir, from the YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're a regular reader of newspaper also. Which newspaper do you read?
Sir, the Hindustan Times.
Okay, can you update me on some current national and international important issues?
Yes, sir. Sir, currently yesterday only, sir, 28th July, the Operation Mahadev have taken place, sir. It was interlinked with the Operation Sindoor. So, in that, the Pahalgaon attack, the terrorist attack in Pahalgaon, and 26 civilians were killed. In that, they killed by asking the religion and also to read the Kalma, sir. So it was a religious thing, and in that opposition governments, armies launched the Operation Sindoor. Sindoor basically is in Hindu, Sindoor basically is the lives of the husband, sir. That on that dedication, Operation Sindoor was launched, sir. Sir, after that, on 28 July, sir, yesterday only, sir, Mahadev operation has been inculcated. In that, 3 terrorists were killed in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, where our Indian army soldiers, sir. That is basically one. Sir, second one is China is building a dam on the Brahmaputra river near the Tibet area and near our Seven Sisters, sir. And also it is the largest hydropower plant, sir. Basically they are planning to invest around 170 millions of dollars, and also that will generate the annual energy of around 300 kilowatt per hour, and that is fulfill around 300 million people, sir. So that is basically one which is happening, and India and Bangladesh are opposing this because it will affect the environmental factor. It will lead to flood, or it will also affect the agriculture which is depending on us on the river, sir. It is said that 5% of the water which is is not given from the Brahmaputra to Bangladesh or the Seven Sisters, sir. The agriculture would be affected by 15%, sir. So that is quite concerning, and also there is geopolitical issues, sir, that is related to this. And in the for saving this, the India is also planning to build a dam on the tributary of the Brahmaputra, sir. It is not clear.
Okay. Right. Can you name the Seven Sisters?
Yes, sir. Sir, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, and so one I am not able to recall, sir.
Repeat.
Sir, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Tripura, and
it is called, I'll give you a hint, it's called the Scotland of India. Okay.
Meghalaya.
Okay. Let's talk about the family. How many members are there? What does each one do? Your responsibilities towards the family. What do you do for them when you're at home? And what do you inherit from your parents? What are the similarities and differences between you and your elder brothers?
Yes, sir. So starting with my family, so my family is very disciplined and supportive. My father, Mr. Rakesh Thakur, is a farmer, and he integrated me with the values like responsible and do the hard work, sir. My mother, Mrs. Madhu Thakur, is a homemaker. She instilled in me the value of discipline and the calmness. So next I have two elder sisters. One, they both are married and they have done their BCom, sir, and one is a teacher and one is a homemaker. I have two brother-in-law. One is a businessman and other one is a lawyer, sir. I have a elder brother who has done his BSc in agriculture, sir, and he is also married. So I have a sister-in-law who is a housemaker, sir, and he is also doing agriculture in a farm only, sir. So then I have a younger sister who is doing her BCA in Artificial Intelligence and Data Analytics from Lakshminarayan College of Technology, sir. Sir, I used to spend time with my family. I help my mother in cooking, cleaning, and also my sister-in-law, sir. So we used to cook together and have a chit chat. Sir, with my cousins and my brother and my family, so I used to play caroms and snake and ladder, sir. Sir, also talking about my father and brothers, I used to clean the tractors and with them, and also the car we have, sir. Sir, talking about I also have a grandmother who is very adorable and loving, sir. So I used to give a champi and massages to her at the evening. Sir, at the evening we all have a dinner together and we spend a quality time. So talking about the neighbors, sir, I have a very good neighbor, sir. We used to go on a picnic in Khet and used to cook there, sir, with the woods and the material of the agriculture, that is a waste. Sir, also we used to participate in bhajan and the jagran, which happens especially on the Ekadasi, sir. And we used to clean our surroundings, sir, and play around, sir. And also talking about the activity. Talking about the things which I got from my father and mother, sir. Sir, from my mother I got the discipline and calmness. Sir, mother used to wake up around 4:30 daily, and seeing from the childhood till now, sir, I have never seen her going off that thing, sir. And from my father, he is very responsible man, so the responsibility in me came from him. And also his voice is little louder, so is mine, sir. So that is also one thing I got from my father, sir.
Okay, your similarities with your brother and your differences.
Yes, sir. Sir, similarity is that he is also responsible and I am also responsible, and both are disciplined and we respect our elders, sir. The difference is that, sir, I love cooking and making things. He don't love. His hobbies are different, sir. His hobbies are like playing cricket, sir. That is the thing.
How come you don't play any games?
Sir, I play badminton, sir. And basketball.
So do you get enough time to play? Where do you play?
Yes, sir. When I go to my native place, sir, I used to play badminton. But here also, sir, at the evening we often play badminton together.
Okay, now how has defense stepped into your life? What is your motivation and why have you opted for Navy as your choice? Also, you have an experience of SSB earlier. What would be the outcome of that?
Yes, sir. So, sir, defense in my life came from the incident which happened in 10th standard, sir. So, at that time, the Pulwama attack happened. So, in that, the wing commander Abhinav Vindra was in the custody of the Pakistan, sir. So that was the news going on, sir, and I watched it and got inspired that I also want to go and serve in the armed forces, sir. That is one thing, sir. Sir, talking about my experience in the in the previous SSB, sir. So it was good. Everything was good, sir. And it was a very the people were very friendly and they were very supportive, sir. So it was very good, sir. And I performed well, sir, and that is thing. And also talking about my defense aspiration in Navy, sir, it is not.
Were you recommended or not recommended?
Sir, I was conference out.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So talking about the experience, sir. It was good, and next mentioning about the my aspiration to be in the Navy, sir. Sir, it is not only Navy; it is the armed forces I opt for. The ICC Tech entry came for the Navy, that is why I filled, and for the Army I have filled, but that time my exams were there, so I was not able to go for the SSB, sir. That is the thing.
How much time will it take you to become a naval officer if you get through in all respects?
Sir, basically, sir, there is 22-week training, sir, in Ezimala, Kerala. So, sir, after that there is post training at the INS Shivaji in Mumbai, sir, of the technical, and after that I become a sub-lieutenant in Navy, sir.
How many days training in Mumbai?
So Mumbai, as of now, I am not confirmed, sir, but it is like the both combined is like 1 year, sir.
Okay, right. So can you update me on the rank structure presently? Who's chief of the naval staff?
Yes, sir. So starting from sub-lieutenant, lieutenant, then lieutenant commander, commander, captain, commodore, rear admiral, vice admiral, admiral, and admiral of the fleet. So current CNS is Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, sir.
Okay, from your own assessment of yourself, what do you think are your assets or your strong points, and what would be some areas where you think you can improve or develop, and what are you doing for the development?
Yes, sir. So according to me, sir, sometime I get short out of the words, sir. So that is, I think,
What?
sir, short out of the words, sir.
What does that mean?
Sir, that means that I want to I get a pause in my mind of that word. Sometimes it does not appear, so that thing come, but that is not an issue. As you have mentioned, you can speak in Hindi when you get out of that. So also like pronunciation, sir, I am currently reading the things and all, sir. And my strong points, sir, that I am confident, and I am confident that I will make it, sir.
Was your own assessment of yourself is that you are confident, that's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. What about physical fitness?
Yes, sir. So for the physical fitness, sir, I go for the running.
Are you happy and satisfied with
Yes,
your
sir, I am very
fitness?
satisfied with the physical training, sir.
How much do you run?
Sir, 2
And how
kilometers.
much time?
2 kilometers in 15 minutes, sir.
2 kilometers, what is your speed per kilometer per hour?
So in meter per second, it is around 2.2.
I am saying kilometer per hour, you are telling me in meter per second.
20.
I am asking you a simpler question.
Yes, sir.
2 kilometers, 15 minutes, in 1 hour, how much?
Sir, around 1 point something kilometer per hour.
If you are running 2 kilometers in 15 minutes,
Yes, sir.
you will run lesser in 1 hour or you will run more in 1 hour?
Sir, more in 1 hour, sir.
But you are saying 1.5
Sir,
kilometers.
0.1 something, sir.
Have you understood my question?
Yes.
If in 15 minutes you are running 2 kilometers, what is your speed in kilometers per hour?
Yes, I understood, sir.
Okay, what is your happiest and saddest moment so far?
Sir, my happiest moment was when I topped in B certificate, sir. My parents were happy and they were proud of that. My saddest moment, sir, when I could not clear the SSB, sir, the previous SSB, sir.
Okay, for some reason, God forbid, this SSB also you are not recommended then?
Sir, I am sure I will get recommended. In case, sir, I will see on the areas which I need to work. I will analyze them and I will work upon them, sir.
What are your alternate goals?
So basically, sir, I have got placed in 2 companies, Confornomics and Cognizant, sir. And the date of joining is not yet arrived, sir. So that is my alternative goal, sir.
What's your package?
So for the one it is 4.5 and the Cognizant it is 5.5.
Okay. Right. I think with that we finish. So like I said, more questions to be asked.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before I start the